the best movie because Elsa has the ice powers, but I think Anna has fire powers, but she never used. Hi guys, welcome to the Gabriella Damaris show. Today, I got Disney's Frozen Royal Sisters. And my mom got it from
Costco.
And here's snowflakes and it has flowers. And this part right here, none of the dolls, this, when they're, the picture that they're hugging, makes me think that's a cloud coming out of Elsa's head that's making her think about when they were hugging. Here's the front of the box. Here's the back of the box. And here's the spine.
Oh, can you turn it back? Thanks.
So let's go on to the boxing. Let's do the unboxing. The door gonna call me stuff. Let's get our box. Yeah, right there, there's a little cut. Let's get that. Let's get it. Here are the two sisters. Okay, we're back with them out of the box, and I'm gonna start with Anna. Okay, here's Anna. Alright, this is the front of her. Here's the back of her. And here's the spine. Okay, so she is articulated, and her arms do not go all the way around. They just go like this. When they go like this, but not like this. Around. So let's start with the top. Okay, here's the tiara. Alright, here's the hair. It's kind of pretty. Alright, let's move on to the necklace. I just love the necklace. And here's the dress. Of course, I like the details. And look at her shoes.
Is it glittery? What is that?
It is glittery. See? Okay, now let's move on to the shoes.
Look at the shoes.
Don't they look pretty?
Let me see. They are pretty. What color are they?
Pink. Hot pink.
Hot pink.
So let's say goodbye to Anna. Mix up, round up. Here comes Elsa. She has the snowflake, but Anna has the sign of Arendelle. Okay, let's move on to our very own Queen Elsa. Queen Elsa. Okay, here's the front of her.
Can I see the dress? You're putting your hand in front of it. There you go. So pretty.
Okay, here's the back. Here's the spine. Okay, let's start with the bottom.
Starting with the bottom. Okay.
Okay. Look at her shoes.
What do they have? Snowflakes?
Yes.
Nice.
And I love the details. I really love Elsa's. So I really like the sleeves, the long sleeves, even though you can roll them up. See?
Cool. But then she'll be cold, no?
No, but and Let It Go, she said, the cold never bothered me anyway.
That's true.
Okay, now here is her hair. Don't you like it? It's so pretty. Okay, here's the tiara. It's golden.
It's golden? Yep. Do you like her makeup?
Yes. Lip gloss.
Let me see it.
Like she can use shock lip gloss.
Her eyes are so pretty, right?
I think I want to get Hans and Kristoff.
Okay.
And Sven and Olaf.
The whole collection, huh?
Yeah, I want the whole entire Dawson Frozen. And the castle.
Nice.
Even Marshmallow.
So which one is your favorite out of these two? Or do you like them both?
I like them both.
Okay.
I like Elsa.
That's your favorite?
Who's your favorite, Mommy?
I like Anna. I just like the pink in her dress and her pink tiara.
So I hope you guys liked my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Toodles. Where are you going, Elsa? I'm going to the castle of Arendelle. But why are you going away? The Queen and King said so. But our mom and dad died. There's no parents of us. But anyway, they're strangers. I'm going. Bye. But wait! Hey, get off my dress! What do you think you're doing? I'm going to go back to the room. Bye.